Having breakfast with quarantine. Exciting. The Zoom is very shaky.
So Olivier, what are you thinking about ECAL?
It's alright, it's cool school. Just really hate waking up so early.
Speak truly, guys.
It's a horrible, horrible school. Horrible. I regret it. 100%.
Exactly the same for me.
Exactly. The only thing I don't like is going to Busini on Fridays.
I would like to be Fridays now.
I'd rather the Fridays be here.
But this afternoon we got a photograph, and that's good.
Yeah. There's the other cinema guy. And here's my minute.